Hi, just a short video to talk to you about this 1992 Thunderbirds talking alarm clock made by Westco. So it comes boxed. The box is in good condition. It does have a slight mark there where a sticker must have been on and been pulled off. Also the instruction manual and then the actual alarm clock. So you can lift up Thunderbird 2 and you will hear the engines of it. Or if I can press this correctly, you'll be able to hear the alarm.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thunderbirds are go. 5, 4.
So it's in perfect working order. It takes 2 AA batteries which are not included. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.